Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. In different video on this channel we diagnose the problem with the alarm system and find out that the door switch needs to be replaced. And I don't think it's the surprise that it's the driver door switch, because obviously this one is being used most. And I speak about the switch which is located right here. Here you can see the new switch original packing and the part number. Here you can see the new switch in detail when I remove it from the package. Also little note, the Honda parts employee said that all 4 switches on all 4 doors are the same, so it will be the same ordering number and the same procedure. Looking on the design of the new part, obviously I need to pop this cover, the dust or water cover, right? And I should be able to see the little bolt, and it's actually 8mm socket, so that's what I will use for removal. Right, that should be easy. I don't expect this bolt to be over tighted or something. Let's remove that bolt. Should be all the way out already. Alright, here you can see detail of it. And I should be very easily able to remove the rest of the switch. Just carefully moving it. And you can see there is that electric connector. I brought the camera for you even closer so you can see the detail of that clip, right? It's right there, and all I have to push on this part to release the connector from the switch itself. Do you see that? So easy. And now I just bring the brand new part, right, and do the opposite. So I will hook it together until it will click. You heard it, right? Carefully put the wires inside, place it where the old one was, and start installing this 8mm bolt. I can see that the switch is nicely sliding in and out, and I can confirm it here on this slide. Let me move the switch. You see, it's perfectly working. So this is perfect, and basically I feel like I can put that cap there, and basically the whole procedure is finished. If servicing our cars will be always so easy, that will be awesome, huh? So my friend, make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way on this channel soon. Thanks for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.